Standard 10 Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials. First, the linear polynomial p of x is equal to 7x minus 3 as the 0. P of x is equal to 0. Therefore, 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 7x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 7. The answer is 3 upon 7. Second, the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus x has blank 0. It is cubical polynomial. Therefore, it has maximum 3 zeros. Maybe 0, 1 and 2 and 3 zeros possible. So, we can find the factor of this polynomial. Okay? P of x is equal to 0. Therefore, x cube minus x is equal to 0. Here you can see x cube minus x. Here the power is 3 or here power is 1. The lowest power may be common. Therefore, x is common into bracket x square minus 1. X into bracket x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x square minus 1. The factor of x square minus 1 is x minus 1, x plus 1. X into x minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Here look. It has 3 zeros. First 0, 1 and minus 1. Therefore, this cubic polynomial has 3 zeros. The answer is 3. The graph of p of x is equal to 3x minus 2 minus x square intersect the x-axis in blank points. This is quadratic equation. The graph of the quadratic equation intersects x-axis in 2 points. But minimum 2 points. It may be possible it intersects in 2 points, it intersects in 1 point or not possible. Okay, so we can find the first factor of these polynomials. Now p of x is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus 2 minus x square is equal to 0. We arrange in standard form. Therefore, minus x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can look. The coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1 and the last term, constant term, the coefficient is minus 2. We multiply to minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2. Or minus minus plus 2 divide in two parts and we get 3. The sum of two parts. The multiplication of these two parts become 2 and sum of these two parts become 3. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2. Multiplication get 2, but sum of these two numbers 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, we replace plus 3x by plus 2x plus 1x. So the minus x square plus 2x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. A minus x common into bracket x minus 2 plus 1 common into bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into another bracket minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So, the graph is intersect at x is equal to 2 or at x is equal to minus 1. So, the graph is intersect the x in 2 points. The answer is 2. The sum of the 0 of 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is blank. Now, a is a coefficient of x square, therefore a is equal to 3. B is a coefficient of x, means b is equal to 5, and the constant term c is equal to minus 2. The a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 2. The sum of the zeros is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus 5 by 3. The answer is minus 5 by 3. The graph of p of x is equal to 3x plus 5 represents blank. You see this polynomial. This is a linear polynomial in one variable. So the linear polynomial represents a straight line. Okay, the answer is a straight line. A quadric polynomial has no zero. Its graph. A quadric polynomial has no zero means the graph does not intersect x-axis at two distance point. Okay, the answer is does not intersect x-axis at two distance point. For the graph in figure 2.11, y is equal to p of x has blank 0. So the graph is intersects x-axis is first here, second here, third here, and fourth here. It means the graph has 4 zeros. Answer is 4. The product of the zeros of x square minus 4x plus 3 is blank. The coefficient of x square is 1. the coefficient of x means b is equal to -4 and the constant term c is equal to 3. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -4 and c is equal to 3. The product of the zeros is equal to c upon a is equal to 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Answer is 3. 9. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 7, d is equal to 11. In the standard notation gives the cubic polynomial. The standard form of cubic polynomial is p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 11. Here only put the values of a, b, c and d. A value is 3, b value is equal to 5, c is equal to 7 and d is equal to 11. Therefore the answer is 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 11. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.